This one's for you and me, living out our dreams. We're all right where we should be. With my arms out wide, I open my eyes, and now all I wanna see is a sky full of lighters, a sky full of lighters.
By the time you hear this, I will have already spiraled up. I would never do nothing to let you cowards fuck my world up. If I was you, I would duck or get struck like lightning fighters. Keep fighting, put your lighters up, point them skyward. Had a dream, I was king. I woke up, still king. This rap game's nibble is mine for the milk king. Till nobody else even fucking feels me, till it kills me. I swear to God, I'll be the fucking illest in this music there is or there ever will be. Disagree, feel free, but from now on I'm refusing to ever give. Only that I gave up using, no more excuses. Excuse me if my head is too big for this building, and pardon me if I'm a cocky prick, but you cocks are slick, popping shit on how you feel like now. Dicks trying to kick you, that I cock back with the rock, you pricks. I love it when I tell them shove it, cause it wasn't that long ago when Marshall said busted lackluster cause he couldn't cut muster up, nothing brain fuzzy cause he's buzzing. Woke up from the buzzing, now you wonder why he does it, how he does it. Wasn't cause he had buzzards circling around his head, waiting for him to dead. Or was it some bitches wrote him off, little hussy ass, cause guess it doesn't matter now. What difference it make, what's it take to get it through your thick skulls at this age? Some bullshit people don't usually come back this way. From a place that was dark as I was in just to get to this place. Now let these words be like a switchblade to a hater's ribcage. And let it be known that from this day forward I wanna just say thanks, cause your hate is what gave me the strength to let them pics raise. Cause I came at 5'9", but I feel like I'm 6'8".
This one's for you and me, living out our dreams. We're all right where we should be. With my arms out wide, I open my eyes, and now all I wanna see is a sky full of lighters, a sky full of
Time you hear this, I'll probably already be outie. I advance like going from toting iron to going and buying 4 or 5 of the homies to Iron Man Audi. Eddie told me, slow down, boy, you going to blow it. And I ain't gotta stop to beat a minute to tell Shady I love him the same way that he did Dr. Dre on the Chronic. Tell him how real he is, or how high I am, or how I would kill for him to know it. I cried plenty tears. My daddy got a bad back, so it's only right that I write till he can march right into that post office and tell him to hang it up. Now his career's LeBron's jersey in 20 years. I stopped when I'm at the very top. You shitted on me on your way up. It's about to be a scary drop, cause what goes up must come down. You going down, I'm something you don't wanna see. Like a hairy box, every hour, happy hour now. Life is wacky now. Used to have to eat the cat to get the pussy. Now I'm just a catch me out. Ow, I'm classic cow. Always down for the catchweight, like Pacquiao. Y'all are doomed. I remember when T-Pain my car starts itself in auto-tunes. Cause I'm in the Aston. I went from having my city locked up to getting treated like Kwame Kilpatrick. And now I'm fantastic compared to a weed high. And y'all niggas disciplined like this on the radio and TV. See me, we fly. Y'all bug Andy Williams at a beehive. And how real is that? I remember signing my first deal. Now I'm the second best. I can deal with that. Now Bruno can show his ass without the MTV Awards gag.
you and I. Know what it's like to be kicked out. But tonight we're alright. So hold up your lights, let's shine. This one's for you and me. Out our dreams.